Kokosinha Tambli, that is Kovakya in Malayalam, and in Kannada it is known as Manoli. So Manoli Tambli, half coconut scraped, little black pepper, salt to taste, little rye, green chili, little curry leaves, and for seasoning, little mustard, one red chili and coconut oil, and our main item Kokosinha, say some around 10 to 15, plus one bowl of curd. So first of all, you have to grind all the things in this curd itself, and there is no heating item. No, we don't have to use gas for preparation. Everything is raw, but at the same time tasty also. So let us see how to grind everything, and finally we have to season it. That's all in this particular recipe, and it's very easy to prepare. When some guests come over here at home, it is as a second dish or a third dish. You can prepare this particular tambli and get yourself satisfied. Now let me first have a mixie and we'll grind it to a paste. First I am adding this coconut scrape, this black pepper, again salt to taste, this ripe green chili, this Kokosinha, and finally this curd. Curd we will add as and when needed. And now I added 3/4, the rest we will add afterwards. Now let us grind it. Adding curry leaves, we will season it. For tambli, it is not a must that you should season it. As plain also, we used to prepare tambli. But I prepare every time by seasoning it. And for me, it gives an added taste and flavor for the tambli as a whole. So I am doing it. So please try both the options and let me know your comments through my comment box. So nice to be with you. Thank you.